In this video, we'll guide you through Canon's service and repair process. Canon products are built to meet the highest standards of quality. Sometimes, however, your equipment might not work as expected, or your gear may need cleaning and maintenance. In these cases, Canon's award-winning customer service team is ready to help. The online Canon support site is a great place to start, since many issues can be solved without repair. Just visit usa.canon.com/support to view the self-help resources available to you. If you're not able to solve the issue online, Canon has a world-class service network to assist you. Simply visit the Service and Repair page found here. Or you can go directly to the page at usa.canon.com/repair. Once on the page, click on Request Product Repair. On the Service and Repair page, enter your model. For the example in this video, we'll use a digital SLR camera. Select it from the drop-down list. Then enter zip code and purchase date. You may also enter your serial number and your CarePack service plan number if you have one. Click Submit. What appears next may vary depending on your product. If you have an eligible digital SLR camera or lens, you'll have image sensor cleaning and maintenance service options as well as repair. We'll be selecting Repair for this example. Review the information related to the service option you selected. For repairs, depending on the model, an estimated cost may be displayed, or in some cases, it may need to be determined during product inspection. Click Continue. Fill out the Service Details page. Place a check next to any that apply. You'll also need to indicate which accessories, if any, you plan to ship with your product. Only include accessories that are related to your issue. Finally, make sure to give a detailed explanation of the reason for the repair. Providing this information will help our technicians diagnose the issue properly and will save time when preparing your estimate. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Select the Canon Factory Service Center closest to your location. If you see more than one option, select your preferred service location. It will default to the nearest location, which may save you money on shipping costs. Click Continue. Fill out the required fields in the shipping address section. As an added benefit, you are opted in by default to our automated phone calls providing status updates on your repair. You can opt out of this service by clicking Opt Out Automated Calling. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. If your repair requires an estimate, you will see this screen. Verify your information is correct, then click Submit. This is the Service Request Confirmation page. Confirm all information is correct before moving to the next step. Click Print Repair and Shipping Information to print a copy of the repair confirmation sheet, shipping instructions, and the packing slip/shipping address label. We also recommend clicking on Email Repair and Shipping Information to save a copy of the forms for your records. Please review the shipping instructions carefully. Make sure to secure your equipment in a box with suitable packing material to ensure proper protection during shipping. Please include only the accessories you indicated earlier that are associated with the problem. Make sure to include the packing slip inside the package and affix the shipping address label on the outside of the box. If your product is within the 1-year limited warranty period, be sure to include a copy of your proof of purchase. This is how we will verify your warranty coverage. We suggest selecting a carrier that provides tracking information and can insure your package for the value of the product. As an option, you can pack and ship with UPS. The locations listed will change based on your location. When your product arrives at our factory service center, we'll inspect it. If the costs are covered by the limited warranty, or if you have provided payment information online, your product will be quickly assigned for service. If your repair requires an estimate, you will receive an email notification of the cost. If we don't have an email address for you, we'll send your estimate through the mail. We'll allow up to 30 days for you to respond to your estimate, but if we don't hear from you by then, we'll send your product back to you unrepaired. You can approve an estimate by visiting usa.canon.com/repair. Click on this link. You'll need your repair order number and zip code associated with the repair. Our online system is updated daily, so if you make a payment, we will process it immediately and proceed with your repair, although you may not see this activity update until the next business day. After you approve the estimate, your product will be quickly assigned for service. When service is complete, it will be handed over to the quality team for inspection to be sure the service was performed properly and completely. After our quality check, your product will be shipped right back to you. During this process, you'll receive email updates at certain times, like when we need your approval and when you can expect your equipment returned, so you'll know what's happening along the way. You can also track the status online. You'll need your repair order number and zip code associated with the repair. Here are some status examples. Your repair is awaiting your approval. We are in the process of servicing your Canon product. The service on your product has been completed and shipped. You'll receive an email when the product has shipped. On the next business day, a follow-up email with tracking information will be sent. When you get your repair back, details of the service will be included. We hope that this video has been helpful so you can better understand our service and repair process. Please visit our YouTube channel for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching.